It's a quick guide on how to remove feedback on Amazon FBA. So you want to remove bad feedback because it actually does affect your account health metrics. Also, when customers go to buy your products, they want to buy from a 5-star store instead of a 4-star store, right? So we want those good metrics. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to remove your bad feedback today, and let's get into it. So you want to go into Seller Central on the desktop version. You go here, then you go to these top 3 lines here, click that, and then you're going to want to press Performance and then press Feedback Manager. So when that drop down comes after you press those 3 lines, you go to Performance first and then Feedback Manager. So after you did that, you'll come to this screen. So you'll see all your different feedback, and what you're going to want to do is sort by neutral and negative. So I actually do remove neutral feedback because that 3-star rating can bring down your rating if you have a bunch of 5 stars. So I personally remove neutral feedback and negative feedback, of course. So you want to go over here, then go to Actions, choose one, and then you're going to want to select Request Removal. And if you've done that successfully, you'll see it will look like this, where it has their comment and it's absolutely slashed through. If it doesn't get slashed through, then their automated system didn't remove it. I have been successful where I had a comment from a customer and it didn't get slashed through, but I opened up a case with Amazon and I was able to get it removed. The main thing is they're not going to remove it if you open up a case if it doesn't fit their criteria. And I'll just kind of list out what that is. So their comment has to include one of these. So it has to either include obscene language, contains seller specific personalized identifiable information, entire feedback or comment is a product review. So somebody is writing a review about a product, essentially, when they're leaving a comment on your Seller Central account, that's definitely something that can get removed. The entire feedback or comment is about fulfillment or customer service. Order fulfilled by Amazon. So if somebody's like, hey, I got the package late, but of course, if you sent it in FBA, we're not really responsible for, fulfilling that order to the customer, then Amazon will more than likely be able to remove it.